What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the bouncing ball animation like this. And could you believe, to create this animation you don't need the complicated application or software, or if you would like to make it for your video asset of your content, and if you haven't had the software or the skills yet, don't worry, because you can make it from scratch, and this is online and 100% for free. How to create this animation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we can use over here is the Meta AI. So don't forget to do the login first with your email, or you can also do the login into your Facebook account. And after that, this will be the home page of the Meta AI, and here you can also generate the image, transform the image into the animation, or you can create the animation from the text or from the prompt, and also you can add something over here in general. And you'll see here, this is the animations that has been made by another users. Isn't that cool, right? So you can start to put your prompt, let's say, into this section. For example, this one: animate 3 distinct soccer balls realistically bouncing on the top of the frame downwards, and also each ball should follow its own unique trajectory and bounce physics. And also the background should clearly depict a vibrant and also well-maintained soccer field under the bright and natural lighting. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. Basically, if you would like to create the animation from the text or the prompt, it will usually give you 4 samples of animation, guys, and each of them will have 5 seconds of duration, guys. However, if you would like to extend it, so it will be available, or it will be extended until 9 seconds only, guys. And by using the same prompt, you can also have the possibility to have the different look of the animation, guys. And if you would like to, or kind of it's not the animation that I want to, so you can continue to click copy, and you can generate again this prompt into this animation. And this will be the animation we have. And which one do you prefer? For example, if you like this one, and you can simply open it and click this download, and it will be officially saved into your device. And if you'd like to extend it, then you can simply scroll down and click this extend animation, and kindly wait for the result. It will be over here or in this section, guys. So apparently, if you'd like to generate the animation, so it may usually take 1 minute, and it will be better if you always make sure that your connection is good, so that the generation process can run smoothly. And this will be the animation we have from this 5 seconds to become 9 seconds animation. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Meta AI to create your animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.